I see. I have the perfect solution for you. Replacement therapy.
Totally, that really makes sense. I'm gonna give that a try for sure. Oh, yeah, that's really cute. Let me snap that. All right, I'm gonna post that later for sure. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna go up the hill and stay left at the fork and keep going straight until I see the big banana tree. And then at the big banana tree, I'm going to turn right and keep going past the small chihuahua. And then when the small chihuahua barks 5 times, and then it's time to turn left.
I see. So, how has it been going so far?
You know, Doc, today was day 1. It was really hard, but I made it.